Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up your data on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into settings. Now in these settings, you want to swipe all the way down until we see system and updates. And in system and updates, what are we going to do is we're going to go to backup and restore. Now you can choose the data backup from the phone, so you can save it on the external storage, or you can use the Honor suite, so you can connect the phone to the computer, and then you can back up and restore the data from here. So as you guys can see, you can do it with the external storage. So it'll be either a memory card, USB storage, or a shared folder with somebody. Also, you can scan for these shared folders, and if you have any, then you'll basically be able to get it. So I always back up through Google. So this is the second method to backup. Go to backup to Google, enable it. And as you guys can see, now it is enabled. Here we can add a backup count. So we're going to add it and click turn on. We got our backup count, we got our backup to Google, and now as you guys can see, here we have it. Of course, turn on, and the backup to Google is turned on right here. So everything's working just fine. You can see that the backup is working. And now let me scroll down to backup. As you guys can see, this is our device. Here we can select photos and videos. And as you guys can see, this is basically everything that I've got on this phone. This is from the other devices. So here we have it. We can click backup now, and of course we have to confirm with our screen lock. Once we do it, what are we going to do is just wait a couple of seconds. As you guys can see, there's not a lot of to back up because other device data is already backing up, and soon it should be over. So that's how you guys can easily back up your data on the Honor Magic V6. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.